vlogging, but today all it's gonna be is me working out. I gotta do a couple cleaning, I gotta finish the board, and then guys, I have my wig. It came in. So once I put him down, do a little workout, and then I'll show the wig at the end. So let me do that. You wanna lay down? He will not sleep without me. All right, so look, that side looks good. Look at him. Hey baby, why you doing that? But look at this side. His arm is all out. Oh my gosh, trying to do it good. But he about to work out with me, right? Boom, 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 booga, 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 booga. Oh baby. All right, we're done, and so I'm about to get ready to start on my board. Little man made it through. Say, hey, Papa, you made it through the workout. Hold on, guys, so I gotta do some sit-ups. So I'm gonna take young man off first. Strap. I hold him. I strap this, and I just swing him around because he's light enough now. But if he wasn't light enough, then 1, 2, 3. You're light enough now, Papa. You worked out with Mama? Ooh, he's sweating on his stomach. Good job, Papa. Mama gotta do some sit-ups. You gonna do some with me? Guys, this is why he just threw it. This is why I cannot finish. Look what he did. He's messing up my stuff. Oh my gosh, he just threw. Okay, you know what? You're done. Nenzo, I tried to do it while you're in here, but you're messing up my board. Look what he did. The bright is gone. I already showed y'all that earlier. But this simmer's about to be gone too. I gotta do this off camera.
Sick boy, baby. Yeah. I keep winning, yeah. I keep winning, yeah. You see me shining, yeah. I need 100 bands. I keep winning, yeah. I keep winning, yeah. You see me shining.
All right, I am completely done with our calendar. Not really, because I gotta put dates on there, but like right here is supposed to be our pajama party at work, and I was gonna put it on there. But this is pretty much it, and I think it turned out good. My little man over there, he's been messing with me the whole time. He messed up some more of it, but guys, I'm finally done. Now I gotta go fix these kids some food. Stop, you're purposely doing that so I can bounce. But it turned out so good. I learned something about these markers, so I'll kind of talk about it a little later, but you kind of see on the candy cane, it's kind of messed up right there. I started out with the red, and I tried to like mark over it with the white, and it kind of messed up the marker a little bit. So I had to clean off where I wanted the white to be. So next time I should do white and then go over with the red. But even then, I don't like to mark, do two colors over each other because it messes up the marker. But I thought it's so cute. I think I did so good. Like, this is a thing I like to do now. I'm getting into this and I'm loving it. So I don't know what's going to be next for me to start liking, but I just want to show y'all this because I know I didn't finish it on my first video, but now it's finally done. All right, let me go cook these kids some food. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. You better go. Where you going? Where you? Oh, you think I can't swim? Where you go? All right. Still ain't washed these dishes. I need help. I need help, but I already started cooking, so I guess I can start putting on dishes. I really don't want to wash these dishes. That's why they're sitting here, but I need to, cause these kids want some food. I hate when my island is full of stuff. I got this head on my. Alright, I'm back in the bathroom. So my wig has came in. I said I was gonna show it at the end of the video, so that's what I'm about to do. We're gonna open it together. So I had bought two things, because this is a headband wig. They packaged this pretty well. So I bought the some headbands and then the wig, of course. So I'm not about to do like show y'all, you know, the package and all that stuff, right? I'm not gonna do all that, but I am about to open it because I want to show y'all. So this is what it's looking like. This is how it feels. It feels very thin. I'm not gonna lie to you. And I thought it was more curlier than this, but this is how it looks. Headband wig. Should I put this on right now? No, I'm not, because I'm actually doing a video with me putting it on, looking dolled up and everything. So I'm not going to put it on. I'm gonna do a video tomorrow, but this is what it's looking like, and it's alright. We're gonna see how it is, but this is supposed to be my everyday wig, so it says 18 inches. It's looking like about 14 inches, but we'll see. But yeah, so I showed y'all my wig, but that's it, guys. All right, thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all on my next video. Bye. Okay, so I did forget to mention the headbands that I bought, and there's 3 different ones. The style was cute, so that's why I got them, and they're thick. They're big, so they'll cover up the band. But this one, I got this one. Got this cute orange one. This is one I seen the model. She wore it so cute. So I was like, oh, that's cute. And then this one. So I got 3 bands. They're so cute. Alright, so pretty much that's it now. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.